So here's another one. Here's another drone dead ahead. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta zip something up here. Trying to get this for you guys so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this is a drone. It's not gonna show up on my phone because sometimes they mess with it. But this is Dead Set Drone. This is how they track people. The US military and the gang. This is the Obama special. Dead set, straight on, man. This is the US military and their secret technology. This is Star Wars 101. This is how they do it. It's getting kind of cold. But hold on here. See if I can get up. Let me get up here and get kind of personal with the drone center here. Because I think American citizens, you have a right to know the technology. And that's what all my videos are about. Is their little game they like to play. Because back in the day, you see, the military got secrets from the Greys in exchange for humans. So here we go. This is a drone. This is what I'm talking about. Right here. It may not look like it. I'm sorry. May not look like anything spectacular, but it is. Well, certainly isn't Little Star of Bethlehem. No, it's a Star Wars deal. See, it's just hovering. See how it hovers? Dang. Oh, here. No, that's an airplane. That's a US airplane, but I'm trying to get this drone. Let's see, I'm gonna have to try and get up here. This is definitely Darth Vader stuff. The Sith. So let's see if I can focus this. I don't know. Like I said, they have messed with my phone. Let's see if I can get this. You know, it's not showing up on my phone. So it could be A, that they have messed up my phone so bad, or they could be doing like, oh, wait a minute, it's right. There it is. Slow moving drone. What was it? The drone landed in Iraq one day and Obama says, can we have it back? Something like that. There it is. To me, it looks like a drone. On the screen here, what you're looking at, it probably just looks like a blob of light. So, this is how the U.S. military and the police departments track humans. So, alright, later.